Alhamdulillah, standing on top of the mountain is always a great feeling, especially early in the morning when the sun has just appeared from behind the mountains. You can see the beauty of nature everywhere in abundance, mashallah. The mountains, the greenery, the trees, the clear sky, and the cool breeze blowing all around. The river, the road, the vehicles have started plying on the road. People have come out, they have started their life, they have started their day. MashaAllah, it's always great and special feeling. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay fit, stay strong, everyone.